everyone, welcome back to the channel. And we have another video we're going to be doing for you guys tonight. Tonight we're going to be working on the Honda. We're going to start enclosing this unit right here. And one of the first things that we wanted to buy was the windshield. So we wanted to go with the Honda OEM windshield, the poly. So this is what we went with right here. This is the hard coat, so it's going to be scratch resistant. And should be pretty easy. It's fully tip out. You guys can see the decal here. And we shouldn't need any tools to take this on and off once we get the brackets assembled to it. So this is what we're going to be doing tonight. We got a couple other things that came in too, but for this video we're just going to do this. These are the parts that it comes with. Basically all you're going to need is a 10mm wrench. I think this is like a 4.5mm hex head and an 1/8 inch hex head for that. And it comes with everything. We went ahead and we printed these instructions off from the website. It didn't come with any instructions, so we knew that, so we went ahead and got that all taken care of. And this is what we're going to be doing tonight. So we'll get everything set up, and then we'll show you guys how to install this poly hard coat windshield. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put on this top bracket here. It's going to go on top of the windscreen. And this comes with a rubber shipping block here. So we're going to take this out right here, because that doesn't belong in there. So you're going to disregard this. You don't need this at all. So it's pretty simple. We are going to attach this with our one bolt here, our collar, washer, and a nut. And it's going to go on just like this. I'm going to put the collar on. And feed that through there like that. And we got the washer. And then the nut. And then this is going to be the millimeter with the 10mm open end wrench here. So we're just going to tighten this up. This video here shouldn't take too long. Leave it like that. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm just going to tighten this up just like we did the other side. And then we're going to actually set this onto the unit. Okay. And this is pretty light, so one person can do it. And we're just going to set this right on top of the unit here. Okay, you see how it's loose? So what you want to do, it's just loose. It's just sitting on there right now real loose. So we want to make that a little bit tighter. So if you're just going to go clockwise, screw that in a little bit. And then you come down over top. Like that. I'll make it a little bit looser. So that side's on. You're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to tighten that up a little bit clockwise. Turn the lever. Okay, so that's on. We're going to leave it loose because we still got to put the bottom brackets on. But that's how you do that, because we might want to come up just a little bit before we tighten that. Okay. Let's try this. And what's nice about this, it's going to be easy to take off. Basically just two clamps, two clamps, two on the top, two on the bottom, and this whole thing is going to pop right off. Alright, so next thing we got to do is get this bottom in. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to attach this hinge arm to the bottom of the windscreen. And you're going to use this nut right here and this bolt. And the nut goes on the outside. And then we're going to feed it through here like this. And you're just going to tighten it on there like that. You're going to do the same thing over there on that side. Attach this lower hinge right here. And let's do that. We're going to do the same thing over here. Feed the nut to the outside. And we'll go ahead and tighten this up. Alright guys, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this lower clamp on here. And this is the hardware you're going to be using. We're going to use the big nut. We're going to put that inside here. You have to put this nut inside. Okay. And then you're going to use this and this right here. It's going to go on the outside here. It's going to clamp to the outside of the bar. And then we'll show you what the next stuff goes to after we get that done. it in like that, and then just bring it down to where it's got to go. And get your outside. Use this screw and nut on the outside and attach it. See how that is? I'm not going to tighten it all the way because we might have to adjust it. And then that nut that you put on the inside of that clamp, you're going to put this stud through the hinge here and screw that in. Just gonna tighten it in there. Then you're gonna use this collar here. Feed that through there like that. And washer. And then you're gonna put the handle on. So this flat spot right here, it's going to go towards the washer. And then this is going to go inside your handle here. And then you're going to thread that into the stud. Now I'm going to tighten this outside. Got everything pretty much lined up. And then how this works is, we already did the other side. On that side. So both sides are open. So now you just push it out to where you want it. That's about as far as it goes. And then you tighten down this handle right here. And that's how that works. The windshield is basically on. So it doesn't flip up all the way like the Ranger does, but you're going to get plenty of airflow. You can see right here, there's a good, I don't know, I would say 6 inches, 6 to 8 inches of airflow you're going to get coming in here. And then when you're done, it's colder out. Just gonna bring these back down. Put them down tight and then cinch them in the spot. Pull that tight. And there we go. That's not bad seal. Show you the seal here. I mean, it's not a complete sealed cab, but it's going to keep a lot of the air out. You see there's a little gap right here. a little gap right here. I mean, if you wanted to, you could probably put some foam in there or something like that to seal it up completely. But same thing on this side. Then you can see the side seal. It's not too bad, seals pretty good. And then the roof is going to go on top of here like that. So that's going to be sealed on the top. And that's it. So it's not a bad job. Took, I don't know, maybe 15-20 minutes to figure it out. And like I said, it's easy to come off. Just got to unhook it here, and you can take it off for the summer and then put it on for winter, however you guys want to do it, or just leave it on and then you just open it up like a vent, like we did on earlier. Show you how easy it is. Pull it out and lock it into place. That's it. There we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We got some more parts in that we're going to be putting on. We're going to be putting on the roof, the rear windscreen, and then we're going to go with the full doors on this unit too. We ordered the doors for this. They're on order, waiting for them to come in. You guys have to stay tuned to see what we pick, whether we want with the soft vinyl ones or if we want with the hard ones. Big price difference between the two. But if you guys are new to the channel and you like this kind of stuff, you know, we'd appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. Also like, comment down below, tell me what you guys think. And with that said, see you on the next one.